Ready to revolutionize your body and enjoy? Today, I'm sharing 5 enjoyable exercise and fitness tips that will help you remain motivated, healthy, and energetic. If you need to lose fat, build strength, or just have fun exercising your body, these tips will get you going immediately. Let's begin the fun. Number 1. Dance for fun and fitness. If you hate boring workouts, try dance fitness. If you're a Zumba fan, hip hop dancer. Dancing is the perfect way to burn calories with a grind. It boosts cardio strength, improves balance, and releases those wonderful endorphins. Pop on your favorite playlist, convert your living room into a mini dance studio, and dance like no one's watching. Trust me, you smile and sweat the entire time. Second, try cycling. And then there is cycling, another excellent low-impact activity for all. Hop onto a gym exercise bike or take your own bike out for some outdoor cycling. It strengthens legs, hands, guts, and exercise the heart, while you get to watch the outdoors or enjoy your favorite music, a relaxed Sunday morning bike ride, or an intense spin class. You'll be in shape and bursting with energy. Third, swim for full body exercise. Seeking a fun way to stay in shape, swimming workouts offer you a full body workout that tones your core, arm, legs, and upper back muscle at the same time. And because swimming is easy on your joint, it's ideal for someone who recuperating from an injury or just starting to get into shape. Lap swim, water aerobics, or even a playful pool workout for a chilly and effective calorie burn. Fourth, stretch every morning. Don't underestimate the power of a good morning stretch. Start your day with a short stretching routine and increase flexibility, reduce muscle tension, and improve your overall mobility. Take a short series of yoga stretches like cat-cow pose, downward dog, and a child's pose. 5 minutes of stretching is all it takes to wake up your body and get ready to tackle the day. Number 5. Do resistance bands workout. Finally, resistance band workout, a strength building master stroke that works anywhere. These light bands are the perfect home without tool, toning arms, legs, and core muscle without all the equipment. Whether you're on the go, short on space, or simply need a quick training fix, resistance bands are a total game changer. And there you have it. Dancing, cycling, swimming, stretching, and exercising with resistance bands. 5 enjoyable and efficient ways to get your body moving each day. Which one would you like to try first? Leave a comment below. If you like these tips, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more fantastic exercise and fitness advice. Let's stay healthy and strong together. Your best body begins now.